The topic correlation. The video lecture on a topic correlation will be started here. I am going to start. Introduction. First of correlation, a linear associated correlation is a linear relation between two random variables. Correlation analysis shows how to determine both the nature and strength of relationship between two variables. When variables are dependent on time, correlation is applied. Correlation lies between +1 to -1. A zero correlation indicates that there is no relationship between the variables. A correlation of -1 indicates a perfect negative correlation. A correlation of +1 indicates a perfect positive correlation. Types of correlation. There are three types of correlation: positive, negative. There are three types of correlation: type 1, type 2, type 3. In type 1, there are four type of type 1 correlation: positive, negative, no perfect. If two related variables are such that even one increases or decreases, then other also increases or decreases, that will be positive correlation. If two variables are such that when one increases, decreases, the other is decreases or increases, that means inversely relation. If one will be increased, then the other will be decreased, that will be negative correlation. If both variables are independent, if one is increases, then second variable doesn't affect, neither increases nor decreases, then that means both variables are independent, so there is no correlation. Type 2, linear and non-linear. When plotted on a graph, it tends to be perfect line, linear correlation. When plotted on a graph, it is not a straight line, non-linear correlation. Type 3, there is a correlation of type 3, simple, multiple, partial. Two independent and one independent variable, one dependent and more than one dependent variables, one dependent variable and more than one dependent variable, but only one independent variable is considered and other independent variable are considered constant. Method of studying correlation: scatter diagram method, Karl-Pearson coefficient correlation of method, Spear's rank correlation method. A measure of strength of the linear relationship between two variables that is defined in terms of the sample covariance of the variable divided by their standard deviation. It is represented by R. The limit of R lies between +1 to -1. It has magnitude and direction. The plus and minus signs are used for positive linear correlation and negative linear correlation respectively. Karl-Pearson correlation coefficient formula are equal to sigma x minus sigma y, that will be standard deviation for x and y data upon covariance of xy. Second formula is r equal to sigma xy upon sigma x square into sigma y square, where x equal to x minus x bar and y equal to capital Y minus capital Y bar. And third formula is n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon x. This is not clear in this PPT. Interpreting correlation coefficient R: strong correlation R greater than -70 or R less than -0.70. This will be strong correlation. Moderate correlation R is between 0.30 and 0.70 or R is between weak correlation R is between 0 and 0.30. Coefficient of determination lies between 0 to 1. It is represented by R square. The coefficient of determination is a measure of how well the regression line represents the data. If the regression line passes exactly through every point on the scatter plot, it would be able to explain all the variation. The further the line is away from the points, the less it is able to explain. The coefficient of determination represents the percent of the data that is the closest to the line of best fit. For example, if r equal to 0.922, then r equal to 0.850, which means that 85% of the total variation in y can be explained by the linear relationship between x and y. The other 15% of the total variation in y remains unexplained. A method, Spearman rank correlation, a method to determine correlation when the data is not available in numerical form, and as an alternative, the method of rank correlation is used. Thus, when the values of the two variables are converted to their ranks, and therefore from the correlation is obtained the correlations known as rank correlation. Computation of rank correlation, Spearman rank correlation coefficient can be calculated when actual ranks are given. There are three types of questions, problems on the rank correlation. First is actual ranks are given. Second is ranks are not given but grades are given but not repeated. And third one is the ranks are not given and grades are given but it is repeated. So for first and second, we use the formula 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1, where d equal to rx minus ry. Rx is the rank of x series and ry is the rank of y series. Thank you.